windy day, as you can probably see and hear throughout the video, but hope that audio doesn't get too bad. Today we're gonna be fishing this chatterbait and see what we can get done.
He's tiny, but
he goes. Well, he's a little bit bigger. A little bit bigger than the last one. Same spot though. Back he goes. Oh my goodness, this is a giant. I was looking at the geese and this thing just smoked it. Oh my. I can barely even move this thing. Holy, this is a bass, it's huge. Dude. Oh. Alright, stay pinned, stay pinned. Stay pinned, stay pinned. Let's go. Frickin' 5-pounder. Oh. That's what I like to see. Fit my whole fist in this thing's mouth. That's a giant. That's a freaking giant. 6 pounds, 13 ounces apparently. I mean, that thing's fat. So freaking fat. Oh my. Alright, off she goes. Six-pounder. Whew! Alright. Another little one. I mean, it's kind of crazy. Caught two, or this is now a third tiny, like, male, I'd guess, pushing up shallow. But I caught that one giant female. There's one. That's a pretty good one. It's not a tiny one, at least. Yeah. Oh, there's a solid one. Oh. 2-pounder, pound and a half. He choked it. Off he goes. Oh, that's another good one. I mean, just not microscopic, like a 2-pounder. Okay. Like a 14-incher instead of a 12-incher, but not a bad one. Eat the chatterbait. Off he goes. decent one. Oh, that's actually pretty good. That's a big one. Holy. Like, only as big as the first big giant, but this is a giant. Like, okay. Oh, not that big. Oh, this 3-pounder. It's hard to tell when they fight so hard. Yeah, that's a good one. I'll take that any day. Alright, this guy gets to go back. I'll give her a gentle toss. There's one. Oh, it's not that big, but not that small either. Whoa. Okay, never mind. He's tiny. He's actually the smallest one I've got the whole day. Just running right at me. Alright. Off you go, little guy. No way. Oh my goodness, this thing smacked it so hard. This is a good one. Like a pretty freaking good one. Holy, things fight so hard. Okay, I mean it's like a 3.